Well, hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hello everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Happy Friday to you. It's a great day. Great day to be alive.
Yes, it is.
And we are back with Tax Talk Live again. We're in the building. Unwrap some
Yes.
text. And we're here to talk to y'all today about a lot of important topics. We're going to just kind of talk about a little bit until we go ahead and get some of our viewers on. And then we will get straight into it. So, what we're gonna be talking about today is post tax season income. Like, what you gonna do in the off season? How you gonna make residual income? Everybody's made a lot of good money, and you want to keep it. You want to grow it. You want it to support you. What you gonna do all summer long, and to keep this income growing, climbing, and make it work for you? Are you just gonna ball out? Some people got plans of balling out. I know I personally love to in the summertime. I'll definitely like travel, all that type of
Mhm.
stuff. Like really get up out of here and enjoy. Because after a grueling tax season, come on, y'all, we all in the tax business. A lot of us,
Mhm.
so we know how grueling the tax industry can be. And we are 2 weeks away from the end of the tax season. The deadline is what is it? Monday after next? Is that right,
Yeah.
Dominique?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, Monday after next,
Yeah.
April 18th. That is the deadline for this year.
So
And
I
so,
know right now y'all are grinding real hard at the moment. We're here to encourage you all as well because I know I've dealt with some things. So I'm here to encourage you all to keep pushing. It's almost over. And y'all
yep.
can take a little brief break and then get back to it, or kind of do something to get you residual income, and that's what we're here to talk about as well.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. The finish line is close. We can see the finish line. The season is almost over. It's almost over. But the season over, but income can't be over. Income can never be over. What we
Hmm.
do in this tax industry, it is seasonal. For some, it's year round. It just depends on your niche or what it is that you're into with your business. And
Yeah.
so that's what we're gonna talk about also. How to make your tax business a year round business because that's very important. A tax business should not just be pretty much from the beginning of the year until the deadline in April. It should be an ongoing thing. If you're not servicing customers, you want to still stay marketing. You want to stay relevant to the industry. You want to still attend continuing education courses, all sorts of things,
Mhm.
and you never want it to stop. It's a full time industry. It's just the biggest portion of the money is made at the beginning, the first quarter of the year.
Yes. And things change every year. So what you want to do is, kind of expand your knowledge and take courses, or, try to get a little bit more information on the tax industry and how to market a little bit better. All of those things will have you set up so where next tax season you don't have to worry about any type of income or after tax season. Tax season will just be your season and you're free. Some of those things are very informative. Getting all of that information definitely a help. So we're here to, kind of assist you with that. I know for myself, after tax season, I really go hard with credit, and that is something I offer as a class as well, just in case you do want to get into the credit industry. Those same clients that you have for during tax season, you can offer credit assistance and helping them with their debt and assisting them with those things. And that's one of the classes that I offer. We're going to streamline the process for you, make it easy as well. I do have an affiliate program, so you can make money while having me do all the work. So that's another source of income as well.
Yeah, credit repair is real good, and that's a real good business to actually market, especially when you have clients. You
Hmm.
have clients that trust you with their finances and if
Hmm.
and financial information and their tax return. and that's like one of the most important things a person has to give somebody at any given time. You know, they're giving you their socials, their kids' socials, they're giving you all this. So why not market to that same individual and say, hey, look, let me help you or assist you with your credit
Yeah.
needs, and that way, you know, you can help improve their lifestyle and their capabilities financially. You could even, with those services, you know, talk to them about how credit can help them get cash, the needed cash they need. So
Yeah.
those are some good services to. That is a good service to offer in the postseason credit repair,
Yeah.
and you know, once they do that, then that just opens up a whole new line of opportunity for them. You know.
Yes. Because when you think about it, like myself, I'm more of like a coach. So when my clients, I know like, hey, you're getting this money, let's go ahead and pay off this bill. You know, they
Right.
like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and pay the settlement that you have arranged. And you don't even have to worry about that anymore. Your credit is building at the same time, and you went ahead and got it out the way. Because just think about like some people when they get their money, they have so many plans with it, their taxes and everything that they don't even think about paying the bills or those old collections that did not come off or cannot come off or paying those credit cards down. So you're here to help them through that process and remind them to do these things. And so that's how that could be an easy client for you.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Another service, I think we touched on it briefly last tax talk, and it's a service also that you have the expertise in showing them how to get it set up, and that's the payroll and not the payroll industry. I'm sorry, the bookkeeping industry.
Hmm.
Um, Doing the bookkeeping for their clients. I mean, you already have a clientele. So many tax preparers out there do the Schedule Cs for their customers, and it's sometimes a headache in some cases because they come to you with all these receipts, they come to you with all this stuff. But if you could assist them all summer long and all year long, basically not just some, but all year long with their books and you know keeping up with their receipts and stuff like that. I mean, you know, you could touch on that a little more, how that could help, and maybe share some experiences with them that you had this tax season with stuff like this.
Yeah, so I specialize in helping businesses build their businesses and getting it in order. Um, so I've had experiences where customers, they never have filed their taxes before. And so they don't know what to look at. All of those expenses and everything, they don't know what those things are. They don't know how to write those things off. They don't know the process at all. And so as a professional, you're able to assist them with that because you know all of these things. So coming to them and saying, hey, let me take this off of your hands for the rest of the year. You don't want to get down to the end of the year and now you have to try to find all of these things. It's a headache because what they're focused on is their business. They're not focused on the things that we're focused on for them. So what you want to do is go to them and say, hey, let me just do all of this for you. At the end of the year, when it's time to file your taxes, you don't have to do anything. I already have all the information to file for you, and you just receive a tax return from that. And that's it. That's an easy customer, a monthly um, payment to you, and then you have the taxes. So it's a consistent customer. So that will be, something that I offer to assist with. I'm going to show you how to get a customer's books in order. You don't even have to pay no upfront cost or anything like that. Once the customer pay you, you get them set up. This is a consistent customer for you. And for my tax preparers who do schedule C's on the regular, you know how to organize those things for them, all of those expenses. You know how to organize these things and get it in order to them. Those are things that you don't have to explain to them. You're going to explain it briefly to them about everything. But, as a business owner, somebody who's in a different industry, they're not worried about those things. After tax season, they probably don't think about that. So you want to remind them and sell them on it right after you do their taxes. So that's just another form of income for yourself.
that is, and with being in the tax preparation industry, I've learned that a lot of people that are tax preparers during the off season they tend to run into issues with being low on funds and stuff like that. That's because there's no residual income, and so we're gonna have opportunities all summer long. So we want you all out there to join us all summer long. We're gonna share the wealth. We're gonna give a wealth of knowledge, and we're gonna talk to you about a lot more than just the financial sector. A lot more than just about how to get residual income, just with the tax preparation or the credit and other services like that. We're gonna have a
Yeah.
whole list of fun things that we're gonna talk
Yeah.
about, just entrepreneurship as a whole.
Yeah.
We have a master class that we will be talking to you all about and presenting to you, and you're gonna want to join. You're gonna want to be a part of it because it's
Mhm.
got so much information. It's gonna be jam packed with information and industry leaders that's in so many different areas doing so many great things. That's gonna talk to you and tell you how to set this business up, how to set that business up, how to do this, how to do that, and that way you can grow your money you've made now, and you can create new streams of revenue and new streams of income. And I'm just so excited to get ready to bring this to you because see, I know I kind of know like with all we got in store. It's a lot. It's a
Yeah.
lot.
I'm excited.
Yeah, yeah. Y'all are gonna love it. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna profit from it. You're gonna make money from it, and you're gonna help a lot of people out while doing so.
Yeah.
Anytime you offer a quality service, you're giving the gift of that quality service to somebody that needs it. You're helping them out. So they help you out financially. You help them out with a service that they need, and so we're very excited to talk to you about those things. So it's gonna be a lot of things that we talk about and discuss, as
Yeah.
far as with postseason income opportunities and postseason residual income.
Yes.
I'm gonna talk to you all about one other thing. I know I said like later on we're gonna talk about stuff that's not dealing with the tax business and tax industry related, but one thing that a lot of preparers overlook or don't do, if this is relevant to your city or your market, is offering the ITIN services, offering the services to individuals that are non-U.S. citizens. That right there never stops. You got people coming in here all the
Man.
time that
I'm
need
interested in that.
yeah, they need this assistance. And like, okay, so we're in Memphis, and in our area, we got little Mexico. We got so many places and spots where it's Hispanic fields. You got Koreatown,
I'm going
in
to
our
Texas
midtown
for
area.
this.
Yeah, you got a lot of places where you get a lot of non U.S. citizens, and they come in, or people that's just all over, and they're looking to get the ITIN services and things like that. And one thing about those communities like that, you show yourself trustworthy, and you get into those communities, and you give your services out, and their quality services, then they're gonna refer you to more people. And that way, when tax season comes, you have a whole new clientele base that they can trust, because they may not get a refund. They're not gonna get a refund on or any EITC or nothing like that. But they do file their taxes because they want to stay here. So
Oh,
that's a
one thing
whole
I
new list of upfront payment clientele for you right there. So
yeah.
and that can open a lot of doors right there. So that's just one way. We got so many ways, y'all. Like I said, you're gonna want to stay tuned. You also gonna wanna let me pull up the banner. You're gonna wanna There we go. You're gonna want to share, like, and subscribe. You gotta share, like, and subscribe our pages and our channel. This we got a giveaway. We got a big giveaway going on. We did a giveaway last week, and the giveaways they went great. They were awesome. Everybody was like, "Oh, thank you, thank you." It was
Yeah.
nice. It was nice. So we got a big giveaway, even bigger giveaway. I'm not gonna talk about what it is right now, but we got even bigger giveaway. But what we want you to do is you get in the habit of share, like, and subscribing to our channels and our pages, and we can see who shares our page. You share our page, we gonna see who does the most sharing, and that's the
Yeah.
person that's gonna enter into our prize drawing and the raffle and win this grand prize. It's gonna be real big, and we're gonna do one big drawing like this, like at our next live event, just to show y'all we serious and we ain't playing. And then we're gonna continue on. That's gonna be like our tradition, something that we do every live. We're gonna give you nuggets of wisdom, but at the same time, we're gonna give those that win our raffles a prize, because me, I just give all gratitude to you just for tuning in and checking us out. You could have been doing anything else, but you decided to check us out, and so. It's all good, and we're gonna grow this thing, as a community together. And also along, we're gonna talk about ways to get money, increase income, and talk about entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
And add a lot of our viewers on, add a lot of people that do the inbox and the DMs with us. We're gonna add them on so we can just grow our community because it's a really big thing, and we want everybody to be a part of it, and we want to be a part of your endeavors as well.
Yes, most definitely. I'm so excited about what's to come. Just to get a lot of knowledge, on things. I was just telling him, I was like, I'm interested in that class because I've never even heard about that.
I,
So thinking about that, it is going to be, I don't know what's happening right now, but it's going to be a lot of people that's coming over here from different countries, and think that's just more opportunity, more money. So to have that hustle right there is
right.
definitely guaranteed money and residual income for
Mhm.
years and years to come. So
Yeah, I got a lot of messages this past week from our last live. So many
mhm,
people were asking, um, do you all help people get started in the tax industry or in the financial industry that is not in the industry currently? Of
mhm,
course, that's why we're starting so early. We got the entire spring and summer to get
mhm.
you up and ready for the next tax season. So
Yeah,
anybody that's looking for an opportunity, that's looking to change their life totally and financially, this is the team you want to be with. You're with
yeah,
a team of vetted and experienced entrepreneurs that have actually reached high achievements and goals in our industry. So you
yeah,
want to be with this team. You want to join, and you want to grow. I have a proven track record of success. I even put it. I don't do a lot on social media, but I do put a lot of stuff on YouTube, just my travels and blah blah blah. Just that way you're not just listening to any old body. Just anybody can talk about it, but
right.
it takes that person that actually does it to be about it. And it's not even about the things that I can show. It's about the things that I know, and that's how you want to be with somebody who can help you. If they know what they're talking about and they can actually assist you with the knowledge, that's where you want to be. Forget all the flashy stuff. Oh, I see like there's a lot of influencers. They might, do this, and that. And I'm not, throwing shade on anybody. I'm just saying you don't know if that person know what they're talking about or not. But you come sign up over here, you're gonna find out if we know what we're talking about over here.
Right,
That's all I
right.
got to say.
Just
So
have one conversation with us, and you'll be like, "Oh, she knows. He or she knows what they talking about."
oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So
Yeah, and check out reviews. Like I have a lot of reviews on my page on Google. You can check those out. But I try to be as helpful as possible. I do expect like, paid sessions and sometimes of that nature, but I definitely do free consultations, and any questions or assistance you might have business wise, I'm definitely here to help, or I can refer you to the expert of it.
that's
So,
cool. That's
yeah.
cool. And what would you say another thing that individuals that are in the tax prep industry or not even in the tax prep industry could add to their arsenal as another stream of income?
Um, it's quite a few out there.
Yeah. I thought you were going to touch on the insurance products that we talked about. The
Yeah,
they could sign up and add insurance to their business.
yeah.
Insurance and bookkeeping, taxes, all that go hand in hand.
Notary,
So
being a
yeah,
notary, is one as well.
yeah,
Um, that's one. I
yeah.
know the process of that, and
Definitely notary, because if you and notary goes hand in hand with things like real estate. If you
yeah,
offer notary, you got people that need documents signed like
right,
boom, like boom. I'm
yeah,
I'm also a seasoned real estate investor, and we gonna talk about stuff like that in
yeah,
this summertime too. I may even we might even do something to where I show y'all some strategies and we do a flippers too together. Who
yeah,
knows? We'll see. But sometimes when you're doing those deals and you got deadlines, you need a notary. You need somebody
yeah.
that can come on and get this paperwork did and notarize and sign, so you can make sure
Mhm.
you can get it to the appropriate places you need to get it to, depending on the situation, so you can make sure that property is you know
Yeah.
legally into your name. So
Yeah. That's
yeah, yeah, notary is a great service too. So like I said, today we just wanted to talk about just different residual income things that you can offer as a tax preparer. And I didn't want to go too in depth because again, it is like what, 2 weeks away from tax
yeah.
deadline, and a lot of tax preparers are in their office right now. They don't
Yeah.
have, they don't have time to look at a video right now. And I
Right.
get that. That is great. That's a wonderful thing.
Uh,
So I'm just so excited about, once the season is over, all the things that we are going to introduce and, grow this foundation for those who are looking to make additional income and continue to prosper with everybody.
Most definitely. Um, I was thinking of something. So during the off season, in the past, what have you offered, by the way? Like what do you do during your off season?
Me, and during the off season, financially, I would say real estate has been really big.
Okay.
A big thing that I've done in the past in the off season, because you got investment funds, and why not grow those investment funds
That's
and put it into something that makes residual income like real estate. Real estate, it to me, this is just my opinion, is better than putting your money in the bank,
yeah,
because
it
you leave your
really is.
money in the bank, it sits there. But if
Yeah,
you put that money into a property, then that property creates you some cash flow every single
yeah,
month. Plus, at the same time, you may not see that money in your bank account, but that money is there. If you ever need to
yeah,
pull that money out or something for some crazy emergency, it's in that house. So
yeah,
you can always get that money out, a few different ways without even having to sell it.
right.
So real
And
estate
that
for
will
me,
be a good thing to touch on, uh, just informing people about equity and things like that and how they can pull that out and, the benefits of
yeah,
owning your own property.
right, of course,
Mhm.
of course. You're a property owner also, right?
Yes, I have
Yeah,
2 properties I
yeah,
bought. Um, so I bought that last year. I just got into real estate last year,
yeah,
and it kinda took me a year just to build the courage up to step my foot into it, but
yeah,
when I did, I was like, "Oh my god, this is so rewarding." So, that's something that is consistent for me.
yeah.
So,
Yeah, real estate. I love real estate. I love the industry. I love the game. I love real estate. Period, as a whole.
yeah.
Some recently in the past year that I got into that I do now also is I love to be an auto dealer. That there, because for me, I have a passion for cars. I've always loved cars. As a kid, I love cars. So now being an auto dealer, I get to go and see all sorts of cars
Mhm.
at whatever auction. I get to drive all type of stuff. I can buy stuff for way, cheaper than, unbelievable stuff.
Yeah.
And so I get to enjoy it, and I get to make money doing it. So for me, when I got a passion that I can make money with too, oh,
Mhm.
that's a niche for me.
Yeah.
That's a great niche for me. So that's what I do, or have been doing lately also. So we may even talk about some things like that, and show our viewers how to get into that industry and different things like that. So we just want everybody to stay tuned, know that we want to grow this thing together.
Yeah.
We can make some money together all summer long, and to infinity and beyond. Like
Yeah. Because later on, we're gonna get professionals here. Anybody who specialize, whatever their specialty is and what they specialize in, we want to get them on board so you all can ask questions to them. So just say you're interested in real estate. We're gonna get you in with some professionals here, or you're interested in whatever you're interested in. I don't know, but we would like for you to come in and let us know. And what we can do is, try to get that professional on here and answer any questions you might have.
oh yeah, and there's plenty of entrepreneurship
Yes,
everywhere. So
successful people in
oh
the
yeah,
industry.
oh yeah, very successful
Mhm,
people. And so we're
mhm.
gonna bring them to the platform and let them talk to people about their expertise. And if individual wants to join the business, or whatever opportunity they have, they'll have that opportunity to do so. So it's gonna
Yeah.
be it's I'm very looking very forward to it. After the season ends. Um, we have one more live event that we'll be doing before tax season officially ends. And so we just want everybody that's out there to, like we said, like, share, subscribe, and increase our platform, grow the platform, and help other people to get the knowledge that they need. If you're not in the tax industry, it doesn't matter. We got opportunities and entrepreneurship plans for everybody. So if you're looking to get into business, if you're looking to make some additional streams of income, we have all sorts of ways that everybody can make some money and have a lot of fun doing it.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh yeah, oh
Most
yeah.
definitely.
So today's live, I said if we weren't gonna be on here too long, I was gonna talk a whole lot. We just wanted to get on here and just basically remind everybody of what we have going on, and be looking forward to it. I'm so excited, and you know, I hope that everybody out there has a great and wonderful weekend. It's Friday.
Me too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
I'm still in the season, so when I get off of here, I still got work to do. So
oh yeah.
I understand tax preparers out there. I understand the struggle right now. So
Oh yeah, there's a lot of grinding going on out there. There's
yeah,
a lot of
it
grinding
is.
going on.
It is.
That's great. It's a beautiful
Yeah.
industry. I love being in it. So yeah.
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah.
yeah, we're about to sign off. Everybody, like I said, I hope you all have a great and wonderful weekend. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Like, share, and subscribe, and be blessed out there.
See y'all.